the snow coming through my radio. It's raining in stilettos from here clear down to Mexico. My hands are numb from hanging on that steering wheel. They're frozen tight. Hope the wind don't blow me off the road tonight. Don't you know the ice and snow is sneaking in through my window? Don't you know how much I hate to be so cold